Welcome to Halogenous Ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio, the enterprise version. So we have an offline installer that you just install on your system directly, one click install. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to download the installer. So this is the link to download the installer over here. This link will be available in the description below, the description and the first comment on the video. So just look for this link. So copy the whole of the link, come to your web browser, then paste it there. So it will take you to, yes, this is the file over here, this RAR file. So you just download this file. Then another thing you have to download is WinRAR. So just come to WinRAR download. So you just come to download your WinRAR. So you just download for Windows. Okay, so I have downloaded the installer already and I have WinRAR installed on my desktop. So what you will do is that you come to the folder where the Visual Studio was downloaded. So this is the installer over here. You can see the file name 3.73 gig. You can see the file name over here. So if you come here, you see the file name. It's the same file name. So what you will do is that you will use WinRAR to extract the contents of the zip file that was downloaded. So just right click and you will see extract to just click on this one. It will extract everything here. Open this, then you come to setup, then just VS Code Enterprise. Just click on it and your installation will start. So one thing you should notice, you should take note of is that for this particular installer, it is the 2015 edition of VS Code and it's a cracked version. So depending on your Windows, depending on your how recent your Windows is, it might tell you that some of the files are not compatible with your system or it is not or it is not installing properly on your Windows. Just skip those files. You can easily upgrade them inside the VS Code itself. So, but for now, just install it. Anytime you encounter something like a file is missing, you can just skip it. So, I'm going to pause the recording now so that I'll give it some time. It will take some time to install, so I'll just pause the recording now. Okay, so you can see what I have over here. It is asking me what type of installation do I want to install. So you have the opportunity to install as custom or as default. So I'll just choose default. Then you give administrator privileges. So just click on default, then you click on install. So it will ask you to, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just say yes. Then you leave, it will start installing immediately. So just give it some time. I'll pause the recording again. So this is what I was saying the other time. A setup package is either missing or damaged. So this is just due to compatibility issues, but you have nothing to worry about. Just come to skip the package, then you continue. Anytime you see a message like that, just skip the package and continue. You can always update it. So So this is it bringing this other one, but don't worry, just keep the package. That is all you have to do. So continue. Okay, so the installation is now complete. If you take a good look at what I have here now, Microsoft, whatsoever, some of the files um cannot find the file specified. Like I said, it's a 2015 installation, so you have no problem. You can always update it in the when you open VS Code itself. So what you click on is launch, then it will just give you some time to come up. So it's coming up. Okay, so I think on your end, while installing, one of the things you will see is for you to select a theme. So you have the white theme, the dark theme, and all that. So you have the opportunity to choose whatever theme that you want to choose. So, well, that is VS Code installation for you. That is basically how to install the VS Code. So if you check um, your recently added softwares, if you just come here, you can see the VS Code over here. And if you come down, Microsoft Visual Studio, um, you can see Visual Studio 2015. So the application is installed. One other thing you might want to do is to do a bit of setup for the application. You might want to change the font size and all those things. So just come to Tools, come to Options, then everything you want to set. You can see the dark theme. If I want to use the light theme, just click on it, OK, and it changes to the light theme. So whatever you want to do, just come to Tools, Options, then you set your VS Code to your own taste. So, well, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video some a thumbs up. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.